and let me know in the comments अच्छा या बुरा।
तुम लोग जब तक देखेंगे तो रिजल्ट आ ही जाएगा। तुम लोग जब तक देखेंगे तो रिजल्ट आ ही जाएगा।
So hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanjana
and I am Muskan.
So आज की वीडियो पे क्या होने वाला है वो तो आप लोगों को टाइटल से अंदाज़ा हो ही गया होगा। मैं मुस्कान का ड्रैब टू फैब लुक करने वाली हूँ, उसको पूरा ट्रांसफॉर्म करने वाली हूँ एंड इवन आई डोंट नो कि रिजल्ट्स क्या होने वाला है, ना ही इसको भी कोई अंदाज़ा है बिकॉज वी हैव नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड इट। एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि रिजल्ट्स कैसे होने वाला है, अच्छा या बुरा।
तुम लोग जब तक देखेंगे तो रिजल्ट आ ही जाएगा। तुम लोग जब तक देखेंगे तो रिजल्ट आ ही जाएगा।
एंड डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि वीडियो का रिजल्ट कैसा होने वाला है, अच्छा या बुरा। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन, और वीडियो को प्लीज़ एंड तक देखना एंड शेयर करना ना भूलना। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द ट्यूटोरियल नाउ। Okay guys, so I've already moisturized her face and now I'm priming her face with my primer. Now to fill her brows, I'm brushing her brows upwards first and then I will fill it with some gel liner, and I will keep her brows very natural because this is a drab to fab look, so it should look natural. What they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about. Now I will clean the upper part of her brows with some foundation and then I will apply the foundation on rest of her face and I will blend it very well. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. 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 Okay, so now to make the lower part of our brows clean and sharp, I will use some concealer and I will use the same concealer as a eyeshadow base. Now I am using some loose powder to make the concealer sit in place. Now for the eyeshadow, I am using these two shades from the Nudes palette from Maybelline New York. I will be blending the eyeshadows only in the crease and the outer and inner corner of our eyes. After that, I will be using a fluffy brush to blend out all the harsh edges without taking any extra product on it. Now I will be using these two shades from the Savannah Colors eyeshadow palette and I will apply it on the empty space in between. After that, I will be applying a small wing liner. Now I will color correct her under eyes and wherever she has imperfections.
Oh, no, 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 no.
इश्क किया इश्क किया जैसे
After that, I'm using some concealer and some contour to highlight and to contour her face. I'm really sorry for these powder particles. I was not aware that the camera was on. So I'm setting the concealer and her under eyes with some loose powder to set it in place, and then I will use a brush to apply the powder all over her face. After that, I'm using a bronzer to enhance the contour of her face a bit more. Now I am applying some blush on her face, and then I will complete her eye look by applying some mascara. After that, I will set her face with a setting spray and a blender, and then I will apply the highlighter on her face, and after that, the last part, I will be applying some lipstick. The lipstick I'm using is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade number 15 Lover, and then I'm applying some lip gloss to finish the look. Okay, so hey you guys, this was the final look and I hope that you all loved the tutorial, and don't forget to give it the thumbs up
and do share the video
and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so now let's ask Muskan that how did she like her new look?
I've liked it very much.
Okay, so see you in the next video guys, and don't forget
मुझे भी बुला लेना बोलो बोलो.
Okay, so see you in the next video guys. Till then, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I've given the link in the description box down below. Okay, so see you in the next video guys. Love you all.